guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Sharon. I'm a certified OBGYN nurse, and today I'm going to speak about 5 of the things that you need to avoid if you are a pregnant woman. Usually household चीज़ों में करने वाली चीज़ें होती हैं जो बहुत सारे pregnant women को लगती है कि यार कर लेंगे, हो जाएगा, because sometimes they don't have any help or they just think that they can do it. But here are some of the 5 things that you should avoid when you're pregnant. Number 1, that is lifting heavy object. Heavy object as in sometimes working in the house we see a lot of heavy buckets of water, and then we also see a lot of gas cylinder वगैरह and shifting the furnitures वगैरह. You should avoid all of these things because it puts unnecessary pressure on your back, on your lower back, as well as on the stomach area, on the abdomen area, and that might lead or increase the chance of preterm contraction. हमें वो नहीं चाहिए. We want to go through the pregnancy period and reach to the term period and have normal contractions than preterm contractions, right? So lifting heavy object should be avoided. Second is using harsh chemical cleaners. At times, cleaning washrooms or even floors, a lot of female gets exposed, not just the pregnant women, but all the females get exposed to bathroom cleaners, bleach and a lot of other strong chemicals. तो वो सारी चीज़ें ना एक बहुत strong केमिकल को रिलीज करते हैं विच इज़ वेरी 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 हार्मफुल फॉर स्पेशली फॉर प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन्स. जो फ्यूम्स उसमें से निकल रहे हैं दैट आर गोइंग टू हार्म एंड आर नॉट सेफ फॉर प्रेगनेंसी. And if you absolutely need to use them, and if you absolutely need to clean the place and you have no help and you just want to do it by yourself, you can wear a mask or you can cover your face or anything like that, only when it is absolutely necessary. But I would recommend no usage of any such practice or chemicals or any cleaners that might be very unsafe, that might produce some fumes and it might go inside your body. Now fourth one is deep squatting. Now you might have heard about this ki when you're near to your delivery date, a lot of delivery experts and healthcare workers also give you advices that you should do squatting and exercises that will help your pelvic girdle release and get a bit used to that situation. But doing it before 32 weeks may land you into a lot of stress and strain on your hips and your back. क्योंकि लेट्स से फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल जैसे कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ होते हैं, सम फीमेल्स हु आर प्रेग्नेंट एंड दे हैव नो ऑप्शन दैन गोइंग आउट फॉर वर्क एंड दे हैव अ प्रोलॉन्ग्ड सेशन ऑफ मॉपिंग द फ्लोर एंड मॉपिंग, या ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन जहाँ पे उन्हें नीचे बैठ के दे हैव टू क्लीन थिंग्स एंड बर्तन घसने हैं, या दे हैव टू क्लीन द some area नीचे बैठ के for a very long time. If they are squatting, that will lead to preterm contractions, preterm problems which you don't want to land into, right? So deep squatting such as prolonged or longer session of mopping should be avoided क्योंकि ये बहुत common चीज़ है. This is a daily do list basically all the females do, and that will strain your back as well as your thighs, and especially before 32 weeks this should be avoided. Now fifth and the last and very important, which is bending down and doing chores that makes you bend down for a very long time, or you're straining on your feet or doing something that will help like make you repetitive bending, जैसे कि washing dishes and heavy laundry work, dusting without breaks. ऐसी सारी चीज़ें will make you feel dizzy, will give you back pain, fatigue. ऐसे frequent bending and repetitive चीज़ें will put a strain on your spine, which you already have when you have a belly, when you're carrying a baby. So you don't want to stress the spine even more and make the situation worse when you are about to deliver. So avoid this thing as well. most of the household works are safe, but avoid some of the activities that will lead to overexertion. Most importantly, the very first thing that I told was using or lifting heavy weights, क्योंकि ऐसी चीज़ें usually puts you in the risk and a position where you will be leading into a complicated delivery. I hope you liked this video, and subscribe, like and share this video to all the pregnant women that you know are doing all of these stuffs. Happy pregnancy.